So today we're at Devorgilla Bridge in collaboration with the Goose Festival. We have lit the bridge up to celebrate the kind of old traditional Halloween that you would have in Dumfries back in the day. It's a completely family-friendly event. We've had lots of activities on for children and for young people, and we've had a recording of local people sharing Tam O'Shanter, which is played alongside the bridge. Tonight's celebration of Halloween is here to bring everyone together to celebrate the history and the heritage of the town and how Halloween would have been celebrated in the past. It's been an amazing night, an amazing thing to be a part of. You can tell how much care and how much thought's been put into it.